Hey, how's it going? I hope you're all well. Alright, you ready for this one? This is a real quickie. Alright, I love using Kahlua. It's a coffee liqueur, but you can do this with almost any liqueur and they all taste amazing. So the first thing we need is ice cream. Now we need 2 tablespoons of Kahlua. Drizzle it over it. Oh mate, I'm telling you, this is so simple and it's one of the nicest desserts you will ever make. Now, if you want to get lucky tonight, give them a third one. After all, we're in lockdown, right? We need something to do. Oh, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. I'll see you really soon. Bye.